NK Kabaddi Academy, the team that has shown so much resilience on that league points table, on the Pool A table, and also the Super 6 stages. They've topped the table everywhere they have been playing, and they're the first team to enter this K7 Kabaddi stage up finals as well. This is their starting strong seven. This is the same lineup that they used against Deepak Nivasuddha Foundation in that semi-finals one today morning, and they just cleanly swept Deepak Nivasuddha Foundation off their feet for their imbalance and made that road into this team. And PNJ Kabaddi Academy, wow, what a match they had against the Triple A's Amit Ashok Academy on that semi-final two that we witnessed at 11:30 a.m. in the morning. And
Neeraj did for Indian athletics. I hope these kids will do for
yeah,
Kabaddi in the next 7-8 years.
look at that. Oh, 2 point by Narendra Hoshiar. He's just left off where he picked off on that semi-final. Arvind, Aparna, आप देखिए यहाँ पे 2 point lead है यहाँ पे.
And look at that, the way he got his leg across, right? The awareness that he had as he was
यहाँ पे ये अरविंद बस यहाँ पे कुछ कुछ स्टोरी बनाकर आपको बोलते रहेंगे, इनको विश्वास बिल्कुल नहीं करना है.
अभी आप विनय पे
नहीं,
विश्वास कीजिए. Vinay is trying
नहीं,
the
विनय पे
toe touches on.
करेंगे. Look at that. The Vishwas has given him a lot of confidence. Vinay there for NK Academy getting that 2 points out of their leaf and getting the lead there for his
You know,
team.
Naveen, I have one problem with the game till now. I have not seen the PNJ defense showcasing the kind of skill they show till now, right? The defense.
Raid में इस बार left raider. I think he's ready for the first time in this match is for Vinay on this PNJ Kabaddi Academy's lineup. He goes in quick, but he foxes Vijay completely on that left corner. Vijay has to go out. Error by Vijay.
यहाँ पे ये बहुत एक्चुअली बड़ी गलती थी कि उन्होंने टाइमिंग की तरफ ध्यान नहीं दिया विजय ने.
Academy will want to send in for the do or die raid, it has to be Vinay, right? And one thing for me, Naveen Aparna, that is standing out is the way Vinay has taken on the responsibility of a lead raider, you know, as this tournament evolved.
Look at that!
Ooh,
Look at that!
Oh my God,
Oh,
what a
is it the
tackle.
hands? Is it the legs?
There has to be
They're
a
out!
review.
I don't believe
They
this.
have to take a review. No, they have to take a review. That just
Oh.
doesn't make sense.
अपर्णा जी आपको क्या लगता है? आप
आई
क्या
थिंक
चाहते रहे?
यहाँ पे एक टच यहाँ पे आई थिंक
On that captaincy point in just a while after this raid because Vinay is in for this do or die raid and he's scrambling across the court. He's traveled the length and breadth of the court for sure. He's going in. He's going in for that bonus attempt as well. Time ticking down. He's going in. Has he got someone? Has he got someone on that turn and tackle? No, it's not. What a wonderful raid. Once again, this is on the ending time of the raid. Wow. Wonderful appreciation coming in for Vinay there. Once again, Aparna ji. A 9-point lead for NK Kabaddi Academy at the end of first half. What a match has been for NK Kabaddi Academy because they have topped that Pool A table. They were the toppers of the Super 6 stages and they were the first team to enter K7 Kabaddi Stage Up Cup final match and now they are playing like a champions. And also, I really miss out Amit Ashok Academy here, Aparna ji. If you have to really be, selecting that captaincy material, I am missing out Ashu Malik. I would love to see him
Yes.
in that. Yes.
And as you can imagine,
Correct.
since I'm saying this, when I made my Dream 11 team, I very consciously ensured that I did not pick all likely to be the one of the best defenders of the event because you know Mohit is not facing a right raider today, so he be getting enough points for a match like this. I don't know, I mean, if you have 11 team, it means so much to them, and a do or die raid coming up.
Very true. Do or die raid once again as we speak because this is the second consecutive time that Vinay has got the point on a do or die raid. On the previous raid, he had got Sagar and now he gets Neetu. The man who was there in my team goes out of that right corner. And I would want definitely Aparna ji to be enjoying this because it is her favorite raider. Who's done so much of raiding today for NK Academy. He comes in once again because on the consecutive do or die race. He's been very successful. Has he been successful this time? No, he's been tapped down. He's been pinned down completely there. And who that was on that jersey number 8 was a fantastic block there coming in from the PNG. It was Sagar. Look at that. Sagar gets that point. 9-point lead there. I should be saying, will this raid make a difference of the world? Krishan is so. Look at that. Krishan was scaring Narendra away, but Narendra Hoshiar is Hoshiar enough to keep that scare away.
Naveen, I can see this when you're being such a strong-willed team that they are not giving up. They are really giving it their all. They are pushing the boundaries at their own end, working really hard and looking at making sure they have every chance to pull off a win.
Oh,
And working hard is Rohit Raghav also on that do or die raid. Rohit Raghav making sure that right covers efforts were nullified. And who that is?
Very
That
good
is the
played by
captain
Rohit.
himself. Captain Mohit himself
It
taken
is
out there,
game.
Arvind.
It is really tough on
well, 4 के
Very true,
डिफरेंस
and that
पे
was
पॉइंट
do or die
लेना
raid.
मुश्किल होता है. एग्जैक्टली डू और डाई रेड में 4 का डिफेंस है, डिफेंस में मुश्किल होगा. और यहाँ पे एक जंप के साथ क्या यहाँ पे नहीं,
Oh.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
If I
it
was
really looked like
NK Academy's coach, very true. No, if I was NK Academy's coach, I would have gone in for. I would have gone in for a review. Look at what that left corner did. He actually stepped in on that end line before even the tackle could happen.
Is it? Did you? I didn't.
Much in this, and look at that.
Whoa!
Oh, Tutu Mehmet. What a gap he pierced in that defense.
See, you really struggle with a few things today, right? They are not. Once their defense didn't work as well as it worked in the second. As we say, Rohit comes in for another do or die raid. Will it be super tackled or will he get through this?
वेल अभी इससे पहले वाले डू और डाई रेड में रोहित 2 पॉइंट लेकर गए थे. कॉन्फिडेंस है, यहाँ पे अभी देखना होगा क्या पॉइंट लेकर जाएंगे.
Oh, he did not know where the midline was, but Ashish did. Ashish completely did. Super tackle. 2 points there on the do or die raid. Look at क्या हुआ वहाँ पे Aparna ji. Actually, he forgot where the midline was.
Look at
And
him.
there is a smile on his face.
I mean, takes there. One, he did not realize that he was being followed, that the left corner followed him through and through. So as he turned around after his touch, the left corner was right there in his face, ready to dash him out. Beyond, of course, like you both pointed out, वो midline miss कर चुके थे.
Very true. Sagar Malik trying to be little cheek smart, but the defense smarter than him on a do or die raid. Now, is this the last raid? Is this the last raid of the colleagues for himself? Because he is the raider of the match and he should be the raider of the tournament for me because he is the one who single-handedly done NK Academy so much on this finals.
You know, Naveen, you make a very interesting and controversial point. While Vinay on the points table will not be in the top 3 raiders, I so agree with you. When Rakesh was not available, Vinay
Right.
stepped in
Just
be
to
the
just to
and
stop in there, Arvind. Stop